everyone and welcome back to my channel. For all those who are visiting for the first time, my name is Sharvari Phatak and I am a postgraduate certificate psychology student who has this channel with the purpose of promoting good well-being and good mental health. For all my returning subscribers, hi everyone and glad to see you all back here. Today I am going to be addressing an important topic that comes under the realm of psychology, that is whether or not you should consider psychological therapy for any psychological condition that you might be having. Now everyone has a different definition of therapy, but in this video I'll share what I feel about therapy. For me, therapy is giving your cluttered thoughts a direction that will at least start or help or facilitate the healing process. You guys might be having a different definition of therapy, but this video is mainly to give you 5 reasons on why you should consider psychological therapy in the first place. But before I start this video, I want you all to, as usual, like, share and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And do check out my page Magical Tomorrow on Instagram. The link is in the description for easy access, so make sure you visit. Coming back to this video, the first reason why you should consider therapy is therapists are unbiased. So whenever talking to your close friends or family, you tend to be a bit reserved because you feel that your close family members will worry about you. Why? Because they love you. But sometimes that is not sufficient because you truly cannot let out what you really feel whenever talking to someone close. In this case, therapists are the way to go because they are a third person and that's why they will give you a third person point of view. It's the job of a therapist to listen you out, and that is why they may be able to help you better than any close friend or family member would do. The second reason why you should consider therapy is invisible emotions. So there are some emotions that you simply cannot let out in front of anybody, may it be your close family, again with the reason that they will worry about you. But with a therapist, you do not have to worry about that at all. You can truly let out your invisible emotions, whatever you have been feeling, whatever has been on your mind, or some things that cannot be said out loud in front of the counselor or therapist. It really helps to at least start the healing process and definitely makes you feel better. The third reason why you should consider therapy is it gives your thoughts a channel. So when somebody is suffering from any psychological condition, they have a whole variety of thoughts. And these thoughts are like, they don't sometimes make any sense and you tend to get overwhelmed by your own thoughts. Well, in this case, how does a therapist help you? The therapist understands all your thoughts and asks you questions that help you channel your thoughts in a particular way and then help you heal. That is why in order to figure something out, the therapist or the counselor truly proves effective. The fourth reason why you should consider therapy is you can totally be yourself. So in front of a therapist or a counselor, you can say what you want to say, you can feel what you want to feel. You don't have the fear that anyone is going to judge you because it is the job of the therapist to listen you out, hear you out and make sure you are doing okay. In the case of close family or relatives, as I said, or any friends for that matter, if you tend to be yourself, sometimes it can hurt close people. But again, the point of therapy is sharing your thoughts to a third person. And that is why sometimes sharing your thoughts to a third person can truly help you rediscover yourself. And the last reason why you should consider therapy in the first place is trust. So I don't know if this is a real concept, but psychologists at least take a mental oath that they are not supposed to reveal any details of their client to any other person whatsoever. That is why if you are fearing going to therapy with the reason that anyone will get to know about what you feel, what are your deepest secrets or similar things, do not worry about that at all. Because it is a standard measure of professional practice that a psychologist is never to reveal anything to any outside person, making your secrets stay with them. So just to sum everything up, for needing to go to therapy or at least even thinking about it does not make you weak or inferior. Therapy is not something taken as you weren't able to solve a problem on your own, and that is why you went to somebody else. You don't have to think like that, because the therapist is just going to help you organize your thoughts and help you find a direction in life in which you might not be having a direction at the present moment. That is why, for all those who may shun therapy or think that therapy is something for the weak, nothing like that. That is why, if you feel that you really need therapy, I would consider, it is my recommendation that do go for therapy, because it is very, very effective in the long run and truly helps you kind of start getting better, or at least having a channel to your already confused thoughts. Thank you everyone, and that is the end of this video. Do let me know if this video was effective to you, and if you found it effective, do let me know how you liked it in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any suggestions for videos, I'll be happy to kind of read those, so do direct message me on my page Magical Tomorrow on Instagram. I make videos every Friday, so make sure you stay tuned for every Friday. Till then, let's meet next week, next Friday. Until then, stay safe, take care everybody, and have a great week ahead. Bye and see you soon.